Natural light has the power to completely transform a home. In Dallas, where sunshine is abundant for much of the year, maximizing daylight inside your living spaces can enhance comfort, improve mood, and even reduce energy use. One of the most effective ways to increase natural light is by installing bay windows. With their outward projection and multi-panel design, bay windows bring in light from multiple angles, creating brighter, more open living areas that feel both welcoming and spacious. Capturing sunlight from multiple directions. Unlike flat windows that sit flush against the wall, bay windows extend outward from the home and typically feature 3 panels, a large center window with 2 angled side windows. This unique design allows sunlight to enter from different directions throughout the day. In Dallas living rooms, this means morning light from one angle, midday brightness through the center pane, late afternoon light from the opposite side. The result is consistent, well-distributed natural light that fills the room more effectively than a standard single window. Making living rooms feel larger, bay windows don't just increase light, they create the illusion of more space. Because they project outward, they add depth to your living area and visually expand the room. In Dallas homes with open floor plans, bay windows help connect indoor and outdoor spaces. The additional glass area enhances views of your yard, landscaping, or neighborhood, making the entire space feel more open and inviting. This sense of expansion is especially valuable in living rooms where families gather and entertain guests. Reducing the need for artificial lighting with more natural light streaming in, you may find yourself relying less on lamps and overhead lighting during the day. Dallas enjoys long stretches of sunny weather, and bay windows take full advantage of it. By brightening your home naturally, you can reduce daytime electricity usage and create a more vibrant indoor environment. Modern bay windows also feature energy-efficient glass options, such as low-E coatings and double-pane construction, which allow light in while minimizing unwanted heat gain. Highlighting interior design features natural light enhances the appearance of your interior finishes, furniture, and decor. Colors appear richer, textures are more noticeable, and the overall ambiance feels warmer. Bay windows can spotlight key areas of your living space, such as a statement sofa, decorative accent wall, or built-in shelving. Many Dallas homeowners also choose to incorporate built-in seating within the bay window area, creating a cozy reading nook that benefits from ample sunlight. Improving mood and well-being. Studies consistently show that natural light contributes to improved mood and overall well-being. Bright, sunlit spaces feel more energizing and uplifting. In Dallas, where outdoor living is part of the lifestyle, bringing that light indoors helps maintain a strong connection to the surrounding environment. A living room filled with natural light becomes a more enjoyable place to relax, host gatherings, or spend time with family. Customizable to fit your home's style. Bay windows are highly customizable. Homeowners can choose from various frame materials, finishes, and grid patterns to match the architectural style of their Dallas home. Whether your property features a traditional brick exterior or a more contemporary design, bay windows can be tailored to complement your aesthetic while maximizing light. A bright upgrade for Dallas homes. Bay windows offer a powerful combination of beauty and functionality. By capturing sunlight from multiple angles, expanding visual space, and enhancing interior design, they dramatically improve natural light in Dallas living spaces. If you're looking to brighten your home and create a more open, welcoming atmosphere, bay windows provide a timeless solution that enhances both comfort and curb appeal.